How to view saved items on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and you will find Saved option. Click on Saved in here. Then you will find all the saved items on Facebook. You will also find collection of saved items if you have created a collection. If you find collection, you can click on collection and see viewed items in here as well. And this is how to view saved items on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.